Businesses juggle endless priorities and face constant challenges. Having a clear company vision is like having a compass. It shows the way forward, guiding every decision and action. But what exactly is a company vision, and why is it so important? A well-defined vision can inspire and align the entire organization, driving success and innovation. Whether you're a teacher, guiding young minds, or a student preparing for the future, understanding the value of a company vision can transform how we think about success. A company vision isn't just about making money, it's about creating a lasting impact and fostering a sense of purpose that goes beyond the bottom line. It's about purpose beyond profits, defining a mission that inspires employees and creates meaning. Take Patagonia, for example. Their commitment to environmental sustainability is a core part of their identity. Their vision, "We're in business to save our home planet," drives their sustainability efforts and motivates their team. This vision not only guides their business decisions but also attracts like-minded individuals who share their passion for the environment. A vision provides a long-term perspective. Think about Tesla's commitment to driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. It's not about short-term sales, it's about shaping the future.
Can you think of any company vision that inspires you? Think about how it shapes their goals and strategies. How does it impact their success? Consider the ways it drives their achievements and motivates their team.
Apple's vision to create the best products on Earth is a great example. It inspires me because it shows their focus on quality and innovation, pushing boundaries to deliver exceptional products and experiences.
A compelling vision also unifies teams and gives their work meaning. Employees feel part of something bigger, boosting motivation and collaboration. Great visions are ambitious. SpaceX's vision to make life multiplanetary drives groundbreaking innovations in space exploration.
So, a company vision is about purpose, direction, and ambition. It's the foundation for long-term success, inspiring teams and shaping strategies.
Whether you're building a business or simply preparing for your career, understanding the power of a clear vision can set you on the path to greatness. So, ask yourself, what's your vision for the future? Remember, vision isn't just about seeing, it's about believing.